Hey Filmora creators, welcome to Tube Media Tutorials. I've crafted this amazing lifestyle vlog using Wondershare Filmora 14, and the coolest part is that the last video you just watched was actually AI generated from a single still image. Today I'm going to share 3 tips to help you create stunning videos just like this. Tip 1. First, I'll show you how to convert your pictures into lively videos. Visit the Stock Media tab, then AI Media. Here you get the Image to Video tool. Filmora 14 integrates the advanced Google Veo 3 into the video editor, giving its access to everyone. Simply drag the photo into the box. Then, define the aspect ratio of the video. Hit Submit. The most important thing is writing the right description. Here is what I wrote. Starting from this photo of the couple sitting and smiling warmly and waving at the camera, animate, as if filmed by a drone slowly pulling back and rising upwards, revealing the misty green hills around them. If you don't want sound to be generated as well, you may opt for the more economical, standard 2.0 version. You may also tweak the settings, set the duration and the resolution depending on your needs. Then click Generate. Perfect! This is exactly what I had in mind. Without even using a drone, we achieved a stunning drone-like shot with AI. Image-to-video technology can truly elevate your content, bringing photos to life and creating cinematic shots that aren't always possible otherwise. Tip 2. There are pre-made template resources in the Filmora assets that can help you edit your videos. Whether you want to create a vlog or maybe videos on travel, fitness, food, music festival, or a casual everyday live video, you can find the related templates available here. You can browse by category or simply search. These travel templates are very nicely made. Find your perfect template. I use this one called Hit the Road. It has this retro nostalgic theme and travel vlog style. I like it. Once you add it to the timeline, replace the sample media with your own, one by one. There is nothing else to do. For the last media, I used the AI-generated video. To find its location in the computer, right-click the video in the media, then check Reveal in Explorer. Then, add it to the template. Let's further expand it, because we need to edit the on-screen text as well. Adding positive notes in lifestyle theme videos make them more attractive and inspirational. Also, we can change the effect in the first video. There are several other retro video effects you may find suitable. Let me group this whole template. Tip 3. You may highlight people or key elements in the media using the AI tools in the Filmora 14. AI portrait cutout can remove the background from photos and videos, so you can change the background or add special effects to the cutouts if you want. So we have changed the boring background to something that goes perfectly with the video theme. Let's use it as the intro for the video. There are title animations available, with which we will make the media more meaningful and turn it into the title of the video. Also, make sure you add smooth animations for the transitions. So, this is how I have created this stunning lifestyle video montage in the Filmora 14. Try it today! Thanks for watching Tube Media Tutorials.